G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today, I've been given a Stabila 2 meter level to try out. Now, Stabila is one of my favorite companies worldwide for leveling systems. I've been using them on and off since I started my apprenticeship and well before. The Stabila level is a German-made level. Company was made in 1925 and they are now known in over 70 different countries. They have always improved on top of themselves. They've moved from spirit levels now into all different types of laser levels and impact resistant laser levels at that, so they can fall over and they bounce and they don't go out of level and all that jazz, and are still on top of the worldwide market for amazing leveling systems. So thank you very much, Stabila, for that. So today I've got the 2 meter level. I'm going to unwrap it and I'm going to test it. One of the first things I do with any level is always test it. And if you're not sure how to test it, I am going to show you. Here we go, all off. So what we do is we mark 2 marks, brand spanker. What we do is we mark 2 marks on the same side of the level, top and bottom. Making sure that the level is level. Then what we do is we spin it around, and then we test it. And if these go on the same lines and show as being level, which is dead eye, then we know it's smack on. We can also do the same thing when we go this way for horizontal. An easier way to do this if you've got a 2 meter level is to actually have a nail or a screw just here and it sits on that, and then I can just mark the other end, flip it around and see if it sits on the same place again. I have bought a level before from the shop and it has been 5 millimeters out of plumb straight away. So always check your plumb, always check your level. Plumb is vertical, level is horizontal. Stabila, thank you very much for these levels. I love them. I've got a 2 meter, well, now I've got a 2 meter. Try and get it off me. I've got a 1200, I've got an 800, and I've got a 600. I swear by them, as I've said before, they are still made in Germany, but there are also companies in America, 70 or 80 different countries they're released in. So check them out. If you haven't already got one, pay the extra money. The difference between one of these and the Stanley ones is about 60 bucks. But it's 60 bucks for a 2 meter level, well spent if you ask me. I think these are about 180, 190 bucks in Australia. The 1200 and the 600 came in their own bag, so if it gets knocked around or anything, it doesn't lock out of level or anything like that. But these new systems are unbelievable, definitely worth the extra money that you pay, as I said before. So what would I give Stabila out of the cost? Smash it out of the water, worth every single cent, not even going to question it. For accessibility, being able to access, being able to get the level, 70 different countries have got outlets, access is always taken care of. And portability, being able to transport it in different places, unbelievable. They come in all different sizes and everything. So all up, 10 out of 10 nails. You nailed it, Stabila. Thank you for your product and thank you for staying top quality throughout the world. Love your work. Everybody else out there, anybody else got some more tools they want me to review for them, or anybody else have any information they need from me, flick it over, I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching everyone, and like always, stay unreal banana peel and I'll see you in the soup.